Hello everyone. Today we're going to be installing the Takstar side saddle on a Mossberg 500. So what we're going to need to do first is make sure your weapon's empty. Keep it charged. And then inside here we're going to remove this little screw right here. We're going to replace that screw with an aftermarket one that's been provided with the Takstar side saddle to attach it to the Mossberg 500. Remember to save these parts just in case you ever want to take your side saddle off and return your Mossberg 500 to its factory appearance. Okay, so once you've got that removed, we're going to replace it with a new aftermarket screw that's been provided with the side saddle kit. It has a slightly longer thread base on there, and we're just going to put that in and screw it down until it's snug. Just remember not to over tighten that. And you can see it came through on the other side there, like so. Alright, next, what we're going to do is just use one of the Allen keys that they provided with the kit, and we're going to simply pop out the pin over here. Just give it a little push, and it's out. Okay? Now you've got that out, you can go ahead and set that aside, save that with the original screw that you pulled out earlier, and we'll move on to the next step, which is taking this long screw that was provided in the kit. I'm just going to push that through to the other side. Like so. Alright. Now that you've got those through, you're ready to attach the plate, which comes with the side saddle. This one for the Mossberg 500, obviously. I've already taken the shell holders off, which is easy enough to do. You just take off two of the screws with the Allen key that's been provided. That way you have access to all the plate action, and we're just going to set that on there. Make sure everything's lined up. Use the larger Allen key that was provided. I'm just going to tighten that down until it's snug. You don't want to over tighten any of these parts. Okay. Now, take a washer, put it over that, and the nut. All of these have been provided in the kit, and we'll just tighten that down. Okay, and I'm just going to grab on there just slightly. Give that a little turn, tighten it down till it's snug. Alright, and we should be good to go. Next thing we're going to do is just attach the side saddle. Should be 6 screws. All of those came with your kit. Don't forget to count them. Make sure you didn't lose any anywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're good to go. Just going to put those in. Use the other small Allen key that was provided with the kit. Just tighten all 6 of them down. Once you've got all 6 of those tightened down, fit in there pretty snug. Just go ahead and give them a little extra there at the end. Just make sure everything's secure. Alright. Okay, there you have it. Techstar side saddle installed on a Mossberg 500, ready for action. Okay, so once you've got that on, you're ready to load your shells. Of course, it holds 6 rounds, and we're sitting at -1, but she's good to go. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, click subscribe, click like, tell your friends, and we'll see you next time.